Hello and welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest updates on military technology from around the world. Milrem Robotics Type X robotic combat vehicle represents a significant advancement in military technology, combining the capabilities of unmanned systems with combat effectiveness. Developed by the Estonian defense company, Milrem Robotics, the Type X is designed to support and enhance the capabilities of armored units on the battlefield. The vehicle's advanced software algorithms and artificial intelligence capabilities enhance its ability to autonomously detect and classify threats, contributing to faster decision-making and response times. The T-129 ATAK is a Turkish attack helicopter designed and manufactured by Turkish Aerospace Industries, TAI. The helicopter is based on the Italian Agusta Westland AW-129 helicopter, but with several key modifications and upgrades to meet the specific needs of the Turkish military. It is a twin-engine helicopter with a four-bladed rotor system and a sleek aerodynamic design. It is equipped with advanced avionics and weapons systems, including a helmet-mounted display system, a forward-looking infrared sensor, a laser rangefinder and designator, and a variety of air-to-ground missiles and rockets. The RM-70 is a well-known MRL system that was developed in the former Czechoslovakia and is still in service with several countries today. It is based on the Tatra 8x8 truck chassis, which provides excellent off-road mobility and stability for the launcher system. It is equipped with 40 launch tubes, arranged in a rectangular configuration on a turntable, capable of firing 122mm rockets. The system is operated by a crew of 3 personnel who can quickly reload the launch tubes with new rockets using a specialized loading mechanism. The Navy LCAC, Landing Craft Air Cushion, is a unique and highly specialized hovercraft utilized by the United States Navy for ship-to-shore amphibious operations. It provides a critical capability for transporting personnel, vehicles and equipment from naval vessels to coastal areas that lack traditional port facilities or have challenging terrain. The hovercraft's propulsion system consists of 4 powerful gas turbine engines, providing the necessary thrust to propel the craft over both land and water. Its large payload capacity enables it to carry a wide range of military vehicles, including main battle tanks, armored personnel carriers, trucks, and other heavy equipment. The M1128 Stryker, a formidable wheeled armored fighting vehicle, represents a significant advancement in modern military technology. Developed by General Dynamics Land Systems, this versatile combat platform combines mobility, firepower, and advanced capabilities to meet the demands of a rapidly changing battlefield. Equipped with a powerful 105mm M68A1E4 rifled cannon, it possesses formidable firepower capable of engaging both armored and soft targets with precision. Its turret also features a coaxial machine gun and a commander's remote weapons station, which can be armed with a machine gun or anti-tank guided missile launcher. The German Gepard is a self-propelled anti-aircraft gun system, specifically designed to provide effective air defense capabilities for military forces. Known for its agility and firepower, the Gepard is one of the most prominent and widely recognized anti-aircraft systems in the world. Its powerful engine allows for rapid deployment and maneuverability on various terrains, making it suitable for both defensive and offensive operations. The Gepard's mobility is a crucial factor in ensuring its ability to respond quickly to airborne threats. The Eurofighter Typhoon is a twin-engine, multi-role fighter aircraft developed by a consortium of European countries, including the United Kingdom, Germany, Italy, and Spain. It was designed to be a highly maneuverable and agile aircraft capable of carrying out a wide range of missions, including air-to-air combat, air-to-ground attack, and reconnaissance. The Typhoon is highly maneuverable and agile, making it a formidable opponent in air-to-air combat. It is also capable of carrying out ground attack missions, including close air support, interdiction, and deep strike missions. The Challenger 2 is a third-generation main battle tank that is currently in service with the British Army. It was designed and manufactured by the British company BAE Systems Land, formerly Vickers Defence Systems, and entered service in 1991 as a successor to the Challenger 1. The tank is known for its excellent mobility, protection, and firepower, making it a formidable opponent on the modern battlefield. The tank's engine is also designed to provide quick acceleration, high mobility, and superior power-to-weight ratio, which is important for its role in offensive operations. Developed by Boeing, the B-52 Stratofortress first entered service in the 1950s and has since undergone multiple upgrades and modernizations to ensure its continued relevance on the modern battlefield. With its distinctive swept-wing design, 8 engines, and massive payload capacity, the B-52 has proven itself as a highly versatile and reliable aircraft, capable of delivering a wide range of munitions across long distances. The aircraft's large internal weapons bay and external hardpoints can accommodate a vast array of ordnance, including bombs, cruise missiles, and nuclear weapons. The Rheinmetall Fuchs Evolution is a highly advanced armored personnel carrier, APC, developed by Rheinmetall Defense. Building upon the success and capabilities of the original Fuchs APC, the Fuchs Evolution represents a significant upgrade with enhanced features, improved performance, and modernized technologies. One of the key upgrades in the Fuchs Evolution is its enhanced mobility. The vehicle is equipped with a powerful engine, providing increased power and improved maneuverability. The advanced suspension system and high-performance drivetrain enable the Fuchs Evolution to traverse diverse terrains, including rough terrain and off-road conditions. The Arion Smet UGV unmanned ground vehicle is a cutting-edge autonomous robotic platform developed by French defense company Nexter Robotics. The Arion Smet UGV is a compact and highly maneuverable robotic system. It is equipped with tracks for enhanced mobility, allowing it to traverse challenging terrains, including rough and uneven surfaces. The vehicle's compact size and agility enable it to operate in urban environments, narrow spaces, and confined areas where larger vehicles may have difficulty accessing. The Chengdu J-20 is a fifth-generation stealth twin-engine fighter jet developed by the Chengdu Aerospace Corporation for the Chinese People's Liberation Army Air Force. It has a distinctive angular design that incorporates advanced stealth features to reduce its radar signature. The aircraft is also equipped with advanced avionics and weapon systems, including long-range air-to-air missiles and precision-guided bombs. The aircraft is also capable of supersonic cruise, which allows it to sustain speeds greater than Mach 1 without using its afterburners, reducing its infrared signature and fuel consumption. The M142 High Mobility Artillery Rocket System, HIMARS, is a modern, highly mobile, and versatile rocket launcher utilized by the United States Army and several other international military forces. Developed by Lockheed Martin, the HIMARS is designed to provide long-range precision fire support for ground troops in a wide range of operational environments. The primary armament of the HIMARS consists of a 6-round pod container, which can house a variety of rockets, including the Army Tactical Missile System, ATACMS, and the Guided Multiple Launch Rocket System, GMLRS. The M9 Armored Combat Earth Mover, ACE, is a specialized military vehicle designed to provide engineering and earth-moving capabilities to support combat operations. It is primarily used by the United States Army for various construction tasks, such as digging trenches, clearing obstacles, and constructing defensive positions. The M9 ACE is based on the chassis of the M1 Abrams main battle tank, which allows it to operate in the same theater of operations and keep up with armored formations. The Patria AMV XP is available in several variants, including Armored Personnel Carrier, Infantry Fighting Vehicle, and Reconnaissance Vehicle. Its armor protection can be customized based on the user's requirements. It also has an amphibious capability. The Patria AMV XP has undergone several upgrades and improvements over the years, including the integration of new weapons and sensors and the addition of modular armor protection. It has proven to be a reliable and effective armored vehicle, and its versatility and mobility have made it a valuable asset for military and peacekeeping operations around the world. The Rosomak is an 8x8 armored personnel carrier, APC, designed and manufactured by the Polish defense company Rosomak SA. The vehicle is based on the Finnish Patria AMV, armored modular vehicle platform, and was developed to meet the requirements of the Polish armed forces. One of the key features of the Rosomak APC is its mobility. It has a top speed of up to 100 kilometers per hour and can travel up to 700 kilometers on a single tank of fuel. It is also amphibious, allowing it to cross water obstacles without preparation. The X-47B Pegasus is an unmanned combat aerial vehicle developed by Northrop Grumman for the United States Navy. It is designed to operate from aircraft carriers and is intended to provide the Navy with a long-range, high-endurance strike capability without putting pilots at risk. One of the key features of this drone is its ability to perform autonomous takeoff, landing, and aerial refueling. This allows it to operate from aircraft carriers without the need for a pilot to be on board, which significantly reduces the risk to human life. The Type 10 features a number of advanced technologies, including a fully automated turret and an integrated battle management system. The tank is also equipped with a modular composite armor system that provides superior protection against modern anti-tank weapons. The Type 10 is powered by a Mitsubishi Heavy Industries 1,200 horsepower diesel engine, which gives it a top speed of around 70 kilometers per hour. Its advanced capabilities and superior performance make it a valuable asset for the JGSDF in a wide range of combat scenarios. The V-280 Valor is an advanced tiltrotor aircraft developed by Bell Textron in collaboration with a team of aerospace industry partners. Designed to meet the needs of the U.S. Army's future vertical lift program, it represents a significant leap forward in vertical lift technology, offering enhanced speed, range, and agility compared to traditional helicopters. The V-280 Valor combines the vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL capabilities of a helicopter with the speed and efficiency of a fixed-wing aircraft. The aircraft's spacious and configurable cabin can accommodate up to 14 personnel or a variety of mission-specific equipment and cargo. Thank you for watching our video on the latest military technology. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment with your thoughts below.